That we know.
Okay, we're not going to drive outside anymore because the phone says that it's snowing.
Now that we know for sure. The iPhone says.
Android, don't insult this thing. There, nothing.
Go to the right.
Grass. As you can see, Pittsburgh all of a sudden became 1 hour away from Bolivar instead of 2 or 30 minutes, whatever it usually takes coming. Oh, there's some more snow. Holy shnikes. Reducing speed to 20 miles an hour. Goodness. Butthole's kind of puckered up, but I'm not going to poop myself for sure. I did.
Say hello to YouTube.
Excellent. Ooh, it looks like we're in the Rocky Mountains. Goodness. What? What'd you forget? Who?